Did you know you don't have to print your designs individually? Gang sheet is just a sheet where you gang or group all of your designs together to cut out individually, kind of like a collage. They're pretty easy to put together too. Gang sheets are always going to be a standard 22 inches wide since that's the size of the roll that our printers print on. The length can be as long as you need it to be. We print sheets in all sizes, from 12 inches to even 300 inches. Whichever size you choose, make a document by the same size. You can do this on Photoshop, Canva, or most image editing softwares. Just create a new file and set the size of the document to be the size of the sheet that you'd like to print. Any document larger than 180 inches may give you issues when you go to export it, so you may want to break these up into two. Then you can just start uploading and placing any design you want to print. The idea is to try to lay the designs out in a way where you can fit as many of them in the space as you can. By using all the space on the sheet, you're saving on material costs of extra film. Any leftover space you can use to print small designs or send color tests. And after that, you just have to upload it to us. You'll be able to cut out all your designs and start pressing them within the next day or two.